Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is masculine card or Father's Day, something to that nature. And next week's theme will be ladybugs. However, Lisa, Gloria, and I will be using one of the latest releases from Jaded Blossom, their ladybug. So that's what we'll be using, but you can use whatever you'd like to represent your ladybug. And so we also enter cards into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So this week I am using Spellbinders, Wander Boots, 5x5 card die layers by My Creative Time. I pulled out this old one from Shamil, and I'm using this right here. Also from My Creative Time, I'm using this set, which is called Super Dead, and I'm using You're the Man. Honeybee stamps, and this is called Wood Planks. When I say I love this embossing folder, this might be one of my favorite. The detail on this is amazing. And then the paper that I'm using is called Beach Bum. And here we go. I made two cards pretty much the same except for the colors of the boot, and they're facing the opposite ways. I also added some enamel dots on here, and I just thought it was so cute. But look at the detail on that embossing folder. I love it. That was my first time using that embossing folder, and I was so excited once I seen how it embossed. It was amazing. So I really like that. You're the Man. I did change the color of the boots, as you can tell. They're both the same. Did not do anything other than just lay some layers on the inside of the card for both. But let me show you that one a little bit more close. And so I just used the colored paper to add a little bit of extra detail to the boot. But I love how they turned out. Tell me what you think down below. And if you have the time, please enter into our collabs, hashtag Satmore Makes or hashtag Two Crafters, One Design. And then the ladies' links will be down below. And don't forget, next week's theme is ladybugs. And if you happen to have the Jaded Blossom ladybugs, please use those. All right, and that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.